Hello, welcoming you to LIVSA, the app that helps you to define your liver stiffness within seconds. I will show you how it works. Start here. There are two calculators which are based on validated parameters, the APRI and FIB-4. You don't need to memorize what these are. Let's try with the first one. Here, you enter the AST levels, which is available on the result of the patient. Let's imagine that this was 60, and then the upper normal is often about 40, but use the parameters of the reference laboratory, and then go on to entering the patient's platelet count, the first 3 or 2 letters or whichever one that is there. Exclude the 10 raised to power 9. Let's imagine it is 150, and then you say calculate, and you see that it gives you a result 1, which suggests that the stiffness of the liver is not significant. Let's imagine that the platelet count is less than that. Let's say it's about 50. Okay, then we'll calculate now. See that? Tells you, so the platelet count change there has actually led to a severe fibrosis, which is about within a range of cirrhosis. Okay, take that back. That, of course, can define what you should do with the patient based on established guidelines. Here, you can enter the age. This parameter requires age of patients. So let's imagine it's a 67-year-old person. The AST level, let's say 67 as well. And then ALT level, it's 45, for example. And then platelets. Let's take, for example, the platelets about 70. Okay. Here, you then go and calculate, and it gives you a reading of 9. According to that, you can then go on to understanding your score, and you pick up the reason why that reading is high, and it gives you an advice as to what to do. Okay, if you just want to go and find this tips on how to use the LIVSA app to identify the stiffness of the liver in order to help you define what to do with a patient, then you can access it here. Okay, thank you very much for listening, and I hope you will find this app useful and also recommend it for other people to use as well. Thank you. Another thing before I go, this app is available offline. In other words, you can actually download and use it when there's no data. I hope you would like it, and I would value your feedback. Bye-bye.